Dodge Avenger with the 2.4, I mean. And we're going to be doing 4-port thermostat housing replacement, which is this unit here. As you see, this one here done fried, broke completely off. So we'll be replacing that. And we're going to be using that by clamp for the radiator holes here. Also the two back there. And you got one down here that's already took off. And it goes there. All right, so we'll be removing those 10 millimeters. And then you take your plug out. It's your sensor. Squeeze the tab, pop it off. And then you're gonna be taking your sensor out. You gotta push down on it and turn it. And you can pop the sensor out. That was pretty corroded. I think we might change it out. That's your temp sensor. So we're gonna be removing the breather box and the hose, just so we can gain access to all the 10 millimeter screws we need to get to. And then we'll be back. We're gonna be taking out the main pin here, 10 millimeter, which I've already started it. Just connect the hose here. And you clamp. We'll be taking this one off as well. There's another push tab. And as you see, you're gonna have a 10 millimeter here. And you're gonna drop over here. You're gonna have a 10 here. Then you rotate and come around. You're gonna have a 10 here. So you remove all of those. Extension. Some pretty long bolts here. Pretty long.
About 3 of them.
Take the hose off the back. Another one. And then we'll wiggle this off. Dash it over. Pretty nasty. Then we're gonna take it and clean it up, and then we'll be back at it and put the new one in. When we go back, this is gonna be a post to mount on, and you got a hose here to hook, and a hose here. That's 2, and here's another one. Here's gonna be 3, and then the actual top outlet is this one, so that's 4. You're gonna need the 4 outlet. So we cleaned it up a little bit, and we're gonna go back with the install. Okay, and you see your separation of your difference in your new one to your old one. And the reference to your part number is this is the part number you'll be looking for. Alright, we're in reverse order now, y'all. We tightening it back up. We got the new one in place. And we're going in with the tightening. And the screws up. Do this one there. I'm gonna pause you out because you know what it is. Okay. Now we're gonna be finishing this latest one out. Install. Did a little cleaning on the temp sensor. We're gonna take him and set him on in place in there. Goes here and hold there. Push down and turn. Okay, we got everything back situated. We're gonna start putting these hoses back on back here. Put this one on the top. And put this one on the bottom one. We'll come clamp them down. Yeah, I see you out there, Cole. What's going on with you out there, man? Shout out at you. Okay, that looks good. And then we're gonna plug up the O2 sensor. Got the snap in it. Climb down here and put these holes on. Okay, with everything back installed, we're gonna stay tuned for the next one, for the bleeding process. Housing back intact, y'all. Take care.